So welcome dear students. Today we will try to understand that what are the SI units and CGS units of magnetic flux. So dear students, SI means International System of Units and CGS means centimeter, gram and second unit of magnetic flux. In SI system, we know the formula of magnetic flux. Phi is equals to BA. Phi stands for magnetic flux, B stands for magnetic field and A stands for area. For SI system, the unit of magnetic flux will be Weber, the magnetic field unit will be Tesla and the unit of area is meter square. So 1 Weber is equals to 1 Tesla into 1 meter square. How we will define 1 Weber? 1 Weber is the magnetic flux produced when a uniform magnetic field of 1 Tesla, magnetic field is 1 Tesla, passes perpendicularly through the area of 1 meter square. 1 meter square के एरिया से 1 टेस्ला का यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जब पास होता है तो वहाँ पर 1 वेबर का मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस होता है. Now come on the second point, CGS unit of magnetic flux. In CGS system, the unit of magnetic flux is Maxwell, the unit of magnetic field is Gauss and the unit of area will be centimeter square. So 1 Maxwell is equals to 1 Gauss into 1 centimeter square. Define 1 Maxwell. 1 Maxwell is the magnetic flux produced when a uniform magnetic field of 1 Gauss passes normally through an area of 1 centimeter square. Okay. What are the relation between Weber and Maxwell? So dear students, 1 Weber is equals to 10 to the power 8 Maxwell. There are two type of magnetic flux. One is positive and the second one is negative. For positive magnetic flux, we will take the area vector and the magnetic field vector, both are in the same direction and both have an angle between them is 0 degree. So phi is equals to BA cos 0 and the value of cos 0 is 1. So the magnetic flux will comes out B into A, which is a positive quantity. For negative magnetic flux, we will take that this is the direction of magnetic field and this will be the direction of area vector and the angle between them is 180 degree. So phi is equals to BA cos 180 degree and we know that the value of cos 180 degree is minus 1. So phi is equals to BA cos 180 की value minus 1. It means phi is equals to minus BA. Dear students, यहाँ पर आप देखिए जो आपने एरिया वेक्टर लिया है फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन और बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, ये कैसे हम यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. सपोज दिस इज अवर सरफेस एरिया एंड इफ वी ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर लाइक दिस in the outward direction, then this condition will generate magnetic field and area vector are in the same direction. And if we take the area vector in perpendicular backward direction, then this condition will generate the magnetic field is in the forward direction and the area vector is in the backward direction and the angle between them is 180 degree and the magnetic flux comes out minus BA. I hope आपको ये वीडियोस समझ में आई होंगी. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी देन यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. और अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइए. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव ए नाइस डे.